Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I am vlogging today. Is the exposure turned up too high? I cannot tell. Maybe that's better? We'll just keep it like this. I don't know. Anyways, hi, I'm vlogging today. I think I wanted to do like a what I eat in a day video in Italy. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be very fun. I'm super excited about it. But I hope you're having a great day. Hi. You wonder who I was talking to?
I was actually.
Yeah. Good morning. Oh, he left. So he's talking to his cousin Claudio, and we are trying to like kind of book our trip to Naples and kind of get that kind of in the works. So very fun. I'm so excited to stay in Naples. You have no idea. I think we're thinking about like the 14th or 15th, something like that. But we're trying to work out how we can use the ships, or if we're even allowed to use the ships because of, you know, the current still situation in the world, or if we have to fly. So we don't know yet. But I think they're kind of working on that and seeing what they could do. But I'm very excited to vlog what I eat today. I wanted to do a little outfit of the day with you because like literally every other time that I vlogged, I have not shown you my outfit. So here is my outfit for today. I actually have this Nirvana like t-shirt dress. Let me turn this up. There we go. I have this Nirvana t-shirt dress from Urban Outfitters. It's super cute. And I am wearing shorts underneath. These are also from Urban Outfitters. And I haven't decided which shoes I'm going to wear yet. I'm either going to wear some tennis shoes or I'll wear my sandals. But I love t-shirt dresses. They're just so fun to just slip on and just go. So that's my outfit. What are you wearing today?
Just a tracksuit. Very simple.
We look very nice.
Thank you.
I've been having a really good... I've been here for about 5 days. I got here on, no, I think 4 days. I got here on the 1st, and well, no, I got here on the 2nd. I left America on the 1st. I got here on the 2nd, and today is the 6th. So I've been here 4 days, and I'm really enjoying it. I don't think I'm having too much jet lag, but I will tell you one thing. That first day, when I first got here on the 2nd, oh, it was rough, let me tell you that. I felt so bad for Raph because he was literally, I cried for like focus. I cried for literally 4 hours straight because I was so tired and I couldn't sleep because my body was still on American time, and it was like super nighttime in Italy, but it was like super daytime in America. So it was really freaking rough, and I cried for 4 hours and I kept Raph up for a very long time. But then I finally went to sleep, and then every subsequent night after that I've done really fine. I wake up super tired in the morning because it's 10 a.m. right now in Italy, but it's like 3 in the morning in America, so it's like the dead of night there. So it still kind of like gets me a little bit, but I'm a lot better than I was. But we're gonna go ahead and start with the what I eat in a day, and I'll take you to the cafe. That rhymed. I'm great. Okay, I gotta go. Alright, you guys, we made it here for breakfast. We're at the cafe, and this is, what is this?
It's a calzone, I think. It's a calzoncino.
And it has like ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese, yeah.
And very nice. I'm having this for breakfast. And then, of course, we've got our coffee. So I've got a macchiato, and you have?
Macchiato freddo. So basically they added the milk cold in mine, which I prefer during summer. And for her instead it's steamed, so it's got all the foam. It's
just the regular hot coffee.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Very nice breakfast. Alright, you guys, I have finished, well, almost finished this. It's still got a little bit left. But now we got these little guys. Are these still like the pasticcinos?
Yeah, you can. I mean, these are cake portions. That's what we call them.
So it's got like a graham cracker kind of, or is this pistachio down here? Pistachio?
The top is pistachio.
Oh, okay. And then it's got white chocolate and...
Pistachio, and then the very covering, the frosting, is black cherry.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice.
Okay, let's see.
Buon appetito. Yeah?
One.
Describe it.
It's very good. It's very soft.
Can we
It's very soft, very delicate. It's quite posh.
It's quite posh. Okay, but you get me. Get this down here. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, it is really Look at that. It's like a kind of like a cheesecake.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
It definitely reminds me of cheesecake. I love that. Alright, you guys, we popped into a little supermarket. Look at this place. Look how cute it is. I'm like obsessed with it. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah.
So Raph wanted me to show these off because they look adorable. These are apparently super duper Sicilian.
Yeah, it's very Sicilian because if you see, it says pistacchio. Please don't say pistachio.
Pistacchio.
Pistacchio, yes. They have pistacchio, which is super famous and popular in Sicily. And if you see here, it says agrumi di Sicilia. And agrumi is basically everything that is like lemon, orange, grapefruit, all of that is agrumi. And they are very famous in Sicily.
Well, these look adorable. And then like these down here, they all look
those
really
are standard,
nice.
like you get them everywhere.
Are these like little croissants?
Yeah,
Or-
they are.
These are adorable. So we're gonna look around.
Lots of different kinds.
My love.
Yeah.
I swear, I think pesto is like one of my favorite foods on the planet.
Yeah.
And if you see, this is the kind we have back in America as well, which it's imported.
It has arugula.
That's very nice. All right, you guys, so we made it back home. Did we have a nice little outing?
Oh yeah, it was very nice.
Very nice, but I wanted to show you this. Okay, so my last clip was us at the supermarket, and they have Sprite there, and I wanted to see the difference between this Sprite and American Sprite. And listen. This Sprite, this is Italian Sprite or European Sprite. I don't know if it's like specifically Italian or European, I don't know, but the second to last option, at the bottom it says sale, that's salt. The second to last option that says like, yeah, di cui zuccheri, that right there I think is like carbs to sugar. Yeah, and it has only 6.8 grams of sugar in this whole thing. And in America, ours has like 63 grams of sugar. And I think even the color is different. Like the color looks more clear. This is insane. America, I'm disappointed. Like it's so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna try this. It's focused?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna see the difference because I actually had a Sprite on the plane here, so.
A Sprite?
Yeah, I had one.
Okay.
I got one at the airport in Nashville before I came, so. Dude, okay, listen. I've tried Fanta also in Italy, and it is so much better. I can actually taste fruit.
It has fruit juice.
Like it actually tastes like it, and this genuinely, I can tell it has less sugar. It's a little bit lighter, and you can actually taste the lemon and the lime. Like it's freaking nuts. I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, they're catered towards American audience, probably. So like people. Yeah, plus you like it though. So
it's so good. I don't know why we don't have it like this. Like, can we just have like some
bit more health conscious?
Yeah, 8.6 grams of sugar in the whole thing compared to like 63. I'm obsessed, and I love Fanta here as well. I can't stand Fanta back home, so.
The color is different as well.
It is very
like
different.
Fanta in America is like super orange.
It's like bright orange.
Yeah.
And this even right here,
it's clear.
It still looks kind of green because of the bottle, but
yeah, but it's clear.
It's clear. It looks less.
It's like water. It looks like water. Yeah.
I like it a lot. Alright, you guys, we have made it to lunchtime, and Raph's mom actually made this. I don't know what this is, and what does it have in it?
Green olives, capers, chicken, potatoes, and tomato sauce.
It looks great, and it sounds great. And then these are little baked potatoes. So I'm super excited. This looks really good. Let me get a first bite impression. Let's see. So I'll get a little bit of everything. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
I swear, all the food in Italy is just too good. It's just so good, man. I don't know how they do it. It's just chicken, tomato sauce, olives and capers, and it's just like, and potatoes, and it's just like, I'll never understand, but thoroughly satisfied. I like it a lot. Anyways, that's lunch for now, and then I'll let you know if I have something for like to snack on. I don't know. Okay, so it's a little bit later now, and we just ordered dinner. It's on the way, but I had this little snack for then, and it was really good. How do you say this?
Nocciolato.
Nocciolato. And it's Novi?
Novi.
It's really good. I like it a lot, and it's got little nuts in it. And then we're gonna wait for dinner, and then I'll let you know whenever that happens. All right, you guys, it is now dinner time. Finally, I'm starving. But we actually went to, or we got takeout from an Asian restaurant here in Italy. It's called Chan. Yeah, and it looks really good. I'm super excited. We got some spring rolls right here, and then I got some dumplings, and there's meat in these, and I think these are just regular like vegetable spring rolls. And then we've got some sweet and sour sauce and some soy sauce. You'll have to tell them what this beer is.
Asahi. It's a Japanese beer. One of the two most famous Japanese beers that you usually have in
I'm
Japan.
super excited, and you can just find it in Japan. Like, it's really
Japan #1 beer. You find it in any convenience store.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. I'm super excited to try that right there. You guys, I'm so excited. This has nothing to do with food, but Raph made a TikTok.
I don't know.
I gotta wait for it to focus.
I don't know what to do with it, but yes.
It won't. Raph, there it is. Go follow Raph on TikTok. He made a TikTok.
We'll see what happens.
Who you follow? Oh, you got one follower already?
Yeah, it's a friend of mine, actually.
I'm gonna have to go follow you. I'll go follow you on TikTok.
Thank you.
Go follow him on TikTok. It's a bit later now, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Raph ended up not eating tonight because his stomach started hurting really bad for some reason earlier today. So he's kind of just taking it easy, not eating anything. Maybe he'll feel better later on and eat something. Maybe he'll just eat it tomorrow. But either way, I'll show what he got probably in like Instagram or something like that. But on Instagram. But anyways, we're just hanging out, watching YouTube, and chilling for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Why is this? That needs to be open. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing what we eat in a day, because I did. I thought it was really fun. But yeah, if you liked the video, please go ahead and click up the like button for me, and the subscribe if you want to see other videos that I post on. And wow, it's been a long time since I've done a sit down video, and I have forgotten my outro. If you want to see other videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!